Hello everyone. I thought I would do a little giveaway video while the workshop, the new one, is being finalized. I'm in it right now and it's fairly empty, hence the aggressive echo that you're hearing. So I will give you all a shop update at some point, but I'm very close to being done setting up here and finally getting back to doing what I need to be doing, which is restoring an insane amount of things and much larger things, which is exciting. So while the workshop was being built, I didn't just sit and do nothing. I had some ideas and projects on the go, and one of them is this. The tiny, tiny wrench. This is the 3-inch wrench, and this over here is the original 6-inch wrench, although this one is actually left-handed. As you can see, the slot is on opposing sides. Let me bring you in closer here to have a look. So here it is. You can see it's fairly similar to the one that I've made before. We still have the engraving, the brass adjuster, and the overall shape is similar. I have a few other ones that have different kind of finishes on them. This one's blued, this one is, and this one are just kind of tumbled in the deburring machine, and they each give kind of a different look to them, but I think they're awesome. They open to just about an inch wide. That would be aggressive for something this tiny. The best part about them, though, is that at this small size, the jaws do work as a bottle opener, which is fantastic. And you could just drill a little hole here or something for a keychain. I don't know, whatever you'd like to do, you can do. So I will sell these at some point. They just need more prototyping and working out the production process for me to actually put them online. But I am thinking of giving away 2 of these, which could be exciting for some people. So I will give one away here on YouTube and another on Instagram. The rules will be posted on Instagram for the Instagram post, but for the YouTube one, it's the same as always. Just leave a comment below and a random comment picker will pick the comments. It does delete duplicates, so don't think you're tricking the system. I'll announce the winner in a few weeks, whenever I kind of feel like it. It won't be a year from now, obviously. And hopefully by then I will have some restoration videos ready for you to all enjoy. Once again, it'll only be a short delay, but I'm really anxious to get back into doing that. I also can't wait to fill this shop up and get rid of the echo and get everything ready so it's all perfect and fantastic. So if you'd like to enter, do your thing. Also, thank you all for helping me reach 300,000, which feels like a long time ago now, but thank you again for that. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. We're almost at 400,000 now, which is again blowing my mind. It just keeps going. I'm glad you guys are enjoying what I'm producing. So hopefully you can get your hands on one of these soon. Thanks a lot. Later.